If I were to ask you how addicted are you to social media, I notice you. I notice that every opinion that comes from your mouth comes from the algorithm you saw 2 hours ago, comes from the ongoing trend. I ask you, do you have any hobbies? No. You tell that you don't find interest in anything. Why will you find interest in anything whenever you try something new, those things aren't as aesthetic and as interesting as you saw them on your feed? Of course, they won't be. Everything you see on social media, people are showing their best of their life, and you need to understand that life is boring. I ask you, do you have any passions? You say no. What do you do in your free time? You doom scroll. You don't even invest in something that will profit you in your future. And if you resonated even 1% with me, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Bhatt. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this channel I give you life helping advice that may help you, and today in this video I will be telling you social media, how social media affects your perception, your life, your thinking system, and how you can help yourself with that. Okay, so apart from attention span that is the most affected by social media affects so many sectors of your life that you don't even realize. First that comes into the line is your personality. Do you even know that how many people get into an validation seeking, attention seeking mindset just because of social media? Think of yourself that if the only way you feel good about yourself and you feel worthy about yourself is when you get likes on your stories, compliments on comments, and likes on your post, and this is how you feel worthy, you need serious attention and you need a break from social media, because this makes you anxious 24/7 and you become more anxious of what other people think of you, and your self-worth comes to zero. You need to create good self-worth. You need to have good self-confidence from that. And how do you create that? First, get a break from social media. Second, self-worth does not come from the things you think of yourself. Self-worth comes from the things you do for yourself, the time you invest in for yourself, the time you invest in things that will actually help you in the future, because you need to understand that others' opinions on you does not define you. The thing that defines you is what you do for yourself in your daily routine. If you are investing your times in things that actually will profit you in the future, whether it's people, like I always say that always give your time to people and invest in people that you have a future in, because time is a thing that is so important and you don't even realize. So always invest in hobbies, in skills that actually profit you in the future. And with social media you doom scroll so much, you forget all your passion. That's why you need a break from social media. And I know that there is so more to social media, but you need to understand that everything has a limit. Social media will be good if you let it be, if you use it in a good way, because doom scrolling will give you nothing but a bad attention span, a bad sleep routine. You will have seriously nothing in your life, and there will be years apart, and you will realize that you wasted so much potential of yours by just being lazy, because your brain's reward system will be so damaged that whenever you do something real, something boring, because I will say it again, real life is boring. Social media gets you in a trap where everything is aesthetic and different and engaging, exciting. Every person is just stating the best version of their life. You need to understand that so many people compare themselves to people on social media, others people life. People are sharing the best of their life. It's not even 1 hour of their life, right? So yeah, first it gets you in comparison. Second, everyone has is so aesthetic and everyone's life is so put together. Even when during my 10th board final exams, I will see reels of people studying 12 hours a day, and I felt so bad upon myself because I couldn't do that. And this is where you lag, because the time you should be working upon yourself, you are spending that time on monitoring or envying someone else. I will rather say that if you work and rather focus on yourself, that will be really, really good. Okay, I agree. I agree with the fact that you can use social media for your good. Social media can be used for good until you want it to. But right now you are immensely addicted to it. And I am saying that if you cannot spend a week without scrolling reels or social media, you actually need a break from it. Why? Because it's like social media will give you big dreams. Like you can achieve this, you can achieve that, you can be the top of the world. But with this, social media also tends to ruins you. Social media ruins your dopamine system, your reward system. Social media ruins your attention span. You think that real life is so boring. Why? You are addicted to that constant stimulation and that constant dopamine you get 24/7, that actually doing things that serve you in the future, you hate them. And if you ever do this, you should hate your phone more, and I guess delete social media right now if you are dealing with this, because there will come a time years apart when you will regret so much that you wasted your potential. I am not saying that social media is an enemy. I am saying that you created social media your own enemy, and right now you need to take a break from it and from yourself. I will say find yourself. I will say work on your hobbies. You will say to me, I don't find interest in anything, neither do I have no passions. I will say this is such a beautiful thing to go out in the world and find your hobbies and passions. I have also noticed that social media tends to isolate you. I will say go out in the world, socialize with people, make people your friends who have the same growth mindset as you, and people who encourage you to be better, with the same time people who encourage you for the person you are. Your environment affects you so much. This is, I'm going off topic, I will talk about it in another video, but for this I will say engage with people who have the same mindset as you. Find your hobbies, find your passions, and work on your goal. Do this and don't enter social media until you find this interesting, and then enroll on social media, because first you need to find yourself first. Apart from everyone in the world, you should know yourself best, you should love yourself best, and this is what you need to understand, that at the end of the day it is only you and that voice in your head. So have a good relationship with that voice in your head and yourself first. Become a better person with personality, with opinions. Be a person that wants to create better out of the world. Become a person that actually wants to help people. Become a person that spends their life with their loved ones, their family, and works on them. And if you would have asked me what to do in that free time, you have too much time now. I will say if you are in your peak potential years, you should have 3 goals per day. One goal should satisfy your health in long term. Second goal should make you go closer to your career. Have a career wise goal. Be educated. Be so educated and have such good debating skills that you cannot just you will always win an argument if you have good debating skill and you are highly educated. Like I will say education is the most important thing. Read self-help books, read novels, read classic literature. These are such good things and I love them. Third is a skill that you should invest in. It depends on you, that will help you in your future apart from your career, right? And I will say that social media is a good thing to interact with others, but if you are relying on it for your validation, for your day-to-day dopamine and everything, it's not good. And if you are in this trap, it's a time for you to take a break and know yourself. And this was all for today. Hope this video helped you in some way, I guess, and I will be posting on his channel. This was all for today. I love you guys. Bye bye.